Let's see, we cooking. Then ramen. Lapoki. We're gonna make lapoki for for Melissa. Alright, let me get that jet ball thing. And
Where I put this?
hold on, let me get these in there. One. These are spoon-sized dumplings. All right, heat them up for me.
All right. Takes a couple minutes. Boy, oh boy, Melissa, you're eating good tonight.
Where you eat? We all eat the lapoke.
Lapoki, yeah.
Lapoke. All eat it.
Almost. If you can put them on her plate if you want to.
Oh, that.
We don't want the water, we just want the... There we go.
There you go.
Alright. Just bring it.
Oh.
Now hang on, let's get the cheese. Hold on, let's get this first.
Oh, look at that now.
Now wait, now let's get the cheese. Where the cheese?
I will take picture before I eat. Thank you so much, Sir John. Oh my God, I'm so spoiled.
There you go. All yours.
The lapoke.
Lapoki, yeah.
Lapoke.